last time we got together, I shared a scenario you may consider a troubling situation that is affecting big mamas all across our nation. And they are facing this problem without knowing that they can actually make a countermove that keeps the money in their pockets. She and Big Daddy have kept it simple over the years. No major renovations to their home, basic repairs and replacement to keep the electricity, the heating and plumbing functioning. That's basically it. Paint and carpet are the extent of their upgrades. Yet, tax assessors think Big Mama and Big Daddy should pay amounts in property taxes equal to the neighbors who probably just purchased their house in a bidding war, which jacks up the average price of the houses in the neighborhood, and then they added more value to the house by renovating like HG television showcases. The troubling situation is that Big Mama and Big Daddy are facing unfair tax increases, property tax increases, and property tax assessments that they believe they must absorb. Then, as a result of paying these unfair increases, the life gets choked out of their limited housing budget. Today, I'm going to share with you the first steps they must take to either navigate or neutralize their property tax increases and make sure they're more equitable and affordable. Welcome to the 5 key tactics to save Big Mama's house. This is tactic number 5, part 2. The taxman cometh, but leave him at the door. You've heard the old adage, nothing is certain but death and taxes. It is a cold, cruel statement, but here in the urban centers of these United States, it's absolutely true. Another truth is that Big Mama, Big Daddy, and you have a say in the assessed value of your home. Let me break it down for you. The property owner, a business, a developer, a homeowner who believes its property tax increase ranges from anywhere more than what you want to pay right now to a ridiculous amount of cheddar can tell the tax man that they believe their assessed value is too high, and you are not required to join the Tea Party. The good news is that if you prove your case, there is a very good chance the tax man may agree with you, lower the assessed value of your home, thus lowering your property tax. Before you start grooving to that music in your ears, let me take a sidebar to clarify one thing. The assessed value of your home is not and should not be confused with the market value of your home. Let me say that again. The assessed value is not the market value. The market value is determined by the active buyers in the real estate market. The market value is the actual sales price of the home. It is to the property owner's advantage that this number is as high as possible. The assessed value is determined by the tax authorities. It is one of the ways local governments increase revenues to keep a city or county running. It is to the government's advantage when the respective tax assessments are as high as possible. Conversely, it is to your advantage when the assessment is as low as possible. Understanding the difference will help you communicate effectively during the tax appeals process, which I will explain to you later. In my very next video, I will pick up from this point and talk to you about how to not so spy on your hipster neighbors. I am the Urban Real Estate Starlet. Thank you and have a blessed day.